Hello students, I hope you all are fine. I was wondering why different things taste different. Today we will try to understand why is it so. So let's start. In our daily life, we use a large number of edible substances such as lemon, baking soda, tamarind, common salt, sugar, curd, and vinegar. Some of these substances taste sour, some taste bitter, some taste sweet, and some taste salty. For example, lemons, they taste very sour. Similarly, tamarind. Whereas salt, it has a salty taste. Let's say sugar. Sugar has a sweet taste. So everything in this world has different type of taste. Now, all these things contain certain chemicals in them. These chemicals can be broadly classified into three groups: acids, bases, and salts. So, acids, bases, and salts are the three important groups of chemical substances that are used by us in different ways. Some of the acids, bases, and salts occur in nature and they can be made artificially in factories also. For example, in the previous slide, we studied about lemon, the sour taste of lemon. Lemon has an acid which is called citric acid and it is available naturally. So, it is called natural acid. Similarly, we can make some artificial acids in laboratory as well. We will study about it in further lesson. But first of all, let us see what is the taste of some familiar edible substances. Lemon juice. The taste of lemon juice is sour. After that, orange juice. Orange juice can be sweet, but it can be sour as well. Mostly people consume the one which has a sour taste because of its health benefits. You must have heard about vinegar. It is used in our kitchen. It is used to prepare Chinese dishes mostly, but it is used in other dishes as well. For example, it is used to prepare pickled onion. So the taste of vinegar is also sour. After that, curd. Curd's taste is sour. After that, we already talked about tamarind, which is called imli in Hindi. Its taste is also sour. Sugar, we all know it tastes sweet, and common salt, it is salty in taste. I don't know how many of you consume amla. It is also called gooseberry in English. Amla has great health benefits. So if you are not consuming it, start to consume it. The taste of amla is sour. Normally people drink amla juice, but nowadays people also make candies from it. After that, you must have heard about baking soda. Baking soda is white in color and it can be found in most of the kitchens. Baking soda is used for baking cakes, but it can also be used for cooking your favorite chole properly. It makes it very soft. And finally, grapes. Grapes can be sweet or they can be sour in taste. I've just included some of the things, but you can try including some more by tasting it. But before tasting, please ask your parents. Let us now understand what are acids. The word acid has been derived from a Latin word acidus, which means sour. Thus, all sour substances essentially contain acids. Substances like lemon juice, orange juice, unripe mangoes, and curd taste sour. They taste sour because they contain substances called acids in them. The chemical nature of the substances is acidic, and the acids in these substances are called natural acids because they are found naturally. They come from natural substances. We also have artificial acids which we make in laboratory. So, as you can see in this picture, acids are literally everywhere. They are in the soda which you drink, they are in batteries, and they are also in the curries, the vegetables which you eat. Acid is present in your stomach as well. Can you remember the name of that acid? Yes, it is hydrochloric acid. So, acids are literally everywhere. By the way, I forgot to tell you, if you consume soda, please stop it because it is very bad for health. Let us now understand what are bases. As I said, there are other substances which does not taste sour. It means that it has no acids in it. It is bitter in taste. And if we prepare a solution of baking soda in water and rub it between our fingers, it will feel soapy. Substances like these, which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touch, are known as bases. The chemical nature of such substances is said to be basic. So if I say, what is the chemical nature of lemon? The answer will be acidic. And if I say, what is the chemical nature of baking soda? The answer is basic. Now, bases can also be natural as well as artificial. Baking soda, which we talked about, is a natural base, while artificial bases are used to make soap solutions, bleaching, etc., which are generally cleaning materials. Can you guess why? Because bases are soapy to touch. I have prepared a table for you which shows the name of the acid and where is it found. Acetic acid, it is found in vinegar. After that, formic acid, it is found in ants' sting. After that, citric acid, it is found in citrus fruits such as oranges and lemons. In curd, lactic acid is found. After that, in spinach, oxalic acid is found. Do you remember that famous cartoon, Popeye the Sailor Man, who eats spinach because it is very good for health? It contains oxalic acid. Next is amla and some citrus fruits. They contain absorbic acid. Finally, tamarind and grapes. They contain tartaric acid. Now, let us see bases and their sources. So, first is lime water. In lime water, a base called calcium hydroxide is there. Now, what is lime water? We usually call it chuna in Hindi. After that, next is milk of magnesia. In milk of magnesia, a base called magnesium hydroxide is there. The use of milk of magnesia is to cure indigestion. We will study about it in the later part of the chapter. Finally, in soaps which we use daily, bases called potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide are used. Now, there are many other bases which are available. Try searching some yourself. It will be fun. So, students, today we studied about the tastes of different things. After that, we came to know about acids and we came to know about bases. We also saw where acids come from and where different types of bases come from and what are their uses. In the next class, we will study about indicators. Till then, please read your book. I will see you next time. Take care.